Okay, we've got a beautiful day on our hands today, and I get to break away from camp. We're gonna actually go get the boats out today, get on the Colorado River, do some paddling, fishing, floating, just enjoy the beautiful day. A friend coming to camp to visit, so we're gonna utilize having an extra vehicle to do a shuttle. My buddy Todd's gonna take his van, I'm gonna take the motorcycle, and between the two, we're gonna be able to shuttle ourselves to get up to a put-in spot and then take out and then get back up to the put-up spot. So we'll bring you guys along, see if we catch some fish and see how pretty it is on the water today. Hey, this is where we're going to take out here, Two Bridges River access. All right, we are at the put-in spot here. We got the kayaks inflated. We're both using inflatable kayaks. And any idea how long of a stretch this is?
It is 4 miles.
4 miles. Okay, so we're doing a 4 mile. We got the fishing poles. We're just gonna cruise, take it easy, just enjoy being on the water. It's a little lower down here. We're at 6,700 feet, so it's a little warmer, but still being on the water, it's gonna be nice. Let's do it. Yeah. Woo! Dude, I took a wave right up over me. That's all right. Oh, there's a camp right there. Yep. Yeah, there's a table and barbecue.
Oh, picnic table. That's one of the spots.
Nice. Well, that was fun. Yeah, I'm pretty sure everything is
Look at you.
water. It just came right over. Chilling. Check Olivia. She's like a natural. Oh, we got a little rapid coming up. Better get my pole put away. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Okay, we made it. No fish. We did do some fishing, but didn't catch anything, but had a nice paddle. Clouds came in, kept the sun off us. It's like a field of columbines here. Never seen so many all together. But the deer flies are horrible, so we gotta get. Doing up some ribeyes, courtesy of Twyla and Mike. Thank you guys. That mozzarella's all melted. Nice. Don't drop the cutting board.
All right, we're good.
Jeez. Came down for a little evening fishing session here. It's just before 9 p.m. Looks like a little brown.
Oh, it's a rainbow.
Rainbow. Oh yeah. Nice. Beauty. Yeah. Beautiful evening.
Yeah, buddy. Look at the colors on that one.
So that's a brown?
I think that's a brown mix.
Yeah.
It's a hybrid or something.
Yeah, I could throw that in a pan.
Dude, that's an eater for sure.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna throw it back though.
You think so?
Yeah.
Look at those spots. Crazy. Nice, man.
Okay, we can call it quits. Well, greetings all. Here we are coming at you from the camper van. Just got done running down to the next campground. I call that the headquarters camp. It's about 10 miles down the road. It takes a good half hour to get there down the mountain road. But there I'm able to actually get some packages delivered. UPS and FedEx delivers there. So I mentioned in my last video how the flies, the deer flies, have just been horrible here. I had something shipped and delivered there yesterday. I got a little screen room. It's small, it's used. I got a used deal online. So we're gonna take a look at that today and try to find a place to set it up in my camp and get some relief from these flies so I can be outside. I'm hoping it's big enough. I can maybe even set up a table and my camp stove in there, do some cooking outside. So we'll see. Okay, so here it is. This is the 6x6 clam, kind of a screen shelter. They have, I think 3 or 4 different sizes. This is the smallest. Seems to pack up pretty small. It's advertised as being 7x7 square and then about 4.5 feet long when packed. So pretty reasonable. Like I said, I actually picked this up on my motorcycle, strapped it to the back rack long ways. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get it set up. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I just cleared this area here with the weed whacker and raked it up. So this gets kind of partial shade. There's no real spots in my site that get full shade all day. So midday, I'll get direct sun on it. But then as the afternoon goes on, I'll start to get shade from these trees here. So get some morning shade, some evening shade, full afternoon sun. It's about the best I could do. This is all wildflowers here. So I just came in and kind of cleared this out, raked it up. It's a little uneven, but I think it'll do the trick. I'm gonna try it here first. Well, it's been so bad with these deer flies that I've resorted to the head net. It really does help, especially when you're busy working, your hands are occupied. These things, they just get right up in. They go right in your ear holes, your nose, your eyes. Super relentless. So I think the screen room's gonna be nice. The only thing I've heard about these clams is that the screen on them is very fine. It's a no-see-um netting, and it doesn't allow for very good ventilation. So it might get a little warm in there, but I'd rather be a little warm than dealing with these flies. Okay, so there it is, all set up. I have my bug-free zone. I'm really happy with it. So I gave it a good looking over because this was like new, sold used like new. But it seems pretty much like somebody opened it up, decided it was not the right size, and returned it. And I just want to verify that this is the quick set line by Clam. This is their kind of lighter duty, less expensive than the original clams. I have seen the original clams in person, and it seems like this material is slightly lighter duty, but still quite rugged. Looks like all the stitching is very good quality. Nice robust zipper that pulls real easy. You can actually open it from the top or the bottom. It came with stakes and then one side panel that you can Velcro and hook on a side to get some privacy or block wind if you need to, and then you can purchase extra ones to cover the rest if you like. I'm pretty much just using it for a bug-free zone. So that's it, very happy with it. It does have these flaps going around the perimeter, so you can kind of lay those out. It helps the bugs from getting in from the inside, and there is no floor in these. In the setup procedure, I realized I struggled a little bit more than I should have. You're supposed to pop the top portion first and then work on the sides, and I was trying to get the sides out before the top. So hopefully next time it'll be easier, a little easier to set up, and I'm hoping I can get it to pack down into the original bag it came with ease. So we'll see how that goes. So just sneak in here, get it zipped up, and of course usually a few flies sneak in here, but I've got my little zapper racket to knock those guys out, and then we're fly free in here. This where I'm at set up here is not very level, so I'm gonna have to work on trying to level out my table if I'm gonna cook in here. But yeah, having some shade and a bug-free breezy area to hang out has been so nice. My footstool in here, just loving it. Definitely worth the investment. I paid about $115 for this. It was like a new open box or a used new open box. I think someone purchased it and just realized it was too small and returned it. So yeah, I got a good deal on it. They're normally a good 220 bucks or so. It did come with stakes to stake down the corners, and yeah, that's it. So this is gonna be my new hangout spot. Well, I just want to thank y'all for checking in on this one. This is going to be a shorter video. I actually was not feeling good most of the week this week. I went out to do my Tuesday. I do the maintenance, the mowing at another campground, and there was a lot to be done, and I was trying to get it all done in one day. It was during that heat wave that we had in the region, and I just overdid it. I think I got really dehydrated, and then I tried to go on a hike up a pretty high elevation, and yeah, just the next few days after that, I was just not feeling good. So I did mention in my previous video that I was going to post a video that was pretty much all going to be talking about camp hosting jobs, just seasonal job position, working as a camp host, which is what I'm doing this summer. But I think I'm going to hold off on that for a couple more weeks. I am still doing a lot of research and learning a lot more. I'm pretty new at this position, so I don't want to be premature with that and put out information and then have to retract it. So I'm going to hold off on that, but you can definitely count on in the next few weeks or so, I will be posting a video talking about pretty much everything I've learned about camp hosting, the pluses and minuses with it. There definitely are some pros and cons, so we'll be talking about that. But I am still really enjoying it here. Making just a little bit of money and having a place to camp out for the summer has been really nice. So I hope you're all doing well out there, and we'll be checking in very soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.